Hey, welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and this is a cool little feature we're talking about today. It's called the Problem Steps Recorder. Integrated into Windows 8 is a nice feature if you're having problems with your computer. Maybe you have error messages, or maybe you just have a problem in using it or doing the right thing, and you're just not knowledgeable enough to help yourself, and you know people that can help you, or maybe you have your tech guy that can come over, or you know, just do it at a distance. What you have as a tool is a thing called the Problem Steps Recorder. It will record everything you do, screenshots of where you've been, and if error messages appear, it will actually record these error messages and even have a text file that's going to explain what type of error you encountered while using Windows. And what's really nice is it's easy to use, and it's easy to use also to send, for example, that file through email, or just save it on your computer, and you can show this file to one of your tech guys or a friend that knows Windows and that can help you with problems. So instead of explaining, because the major problem, I'm a tech guy here, and you know, when people call up and explain to you what problem they have with the computer, half of the time you just misunderstood, because they just don't explain it the way you want, or you know, they don't have the technical know-how to explain it well. So sometimes it's totally another problem, or sometimes, you know, you just misunderstand. By using this Problem Steps Recorder, at least you'll be able to see what happens. So how do you access this Problem Steps Recorder? Two ways. You can go to the lower left on the screen, right click, and when you right click there, all you have to do, you go into the Run, and there you type PSR, enter, and the Problem Steps Recorder is going to show up. Another way, which is quite easy also, if you're on your start screen, go into the Charms bar by swiping, or going into the corners if you don't have a touch device. Search, and in the search all you have to do is type PSR, and you'll see Steps Recorder showing up. Now once you click on it, you'll see that it appears as a small window, and it has a Start Record button. So this is really cool. Once you're using your computer and you want to show someone what's happening when you're doing something, just click Start Record. And as you do that, you'll notice that when you click something, it has a red dot on your pointer. You see, I just clicked on the desktop and a red dot appeared. That means it just recorded a screenshot. So if you see that little red dot, you know it's working and it's recording everything you do. So you go anywhere you want, you'll see that if you go on your start screen, it's going to stay there. It's going to stay visible right there. And so everything you do, go to the File Explorer, for example, will be recorded, and every step is going to stay in this file of yours. And so if an error message occurs, or if something's going wrong, everything's there. It's going to be recorded. Screenshots are going to be there. So a tech guy, or maybe someone you know that's really knowledgeable in the computers and in Windows, will be able to look at that and maybe understand what's happening and tell you how to, maybe you can fix it, or maybe it's going to tell you, well, you know, maybe the problem's your way of using the computer. Sometimes problems are not necessarily computer problems, but related to the user themselves. Once you've done all your session, everything happened, hopefully your problem occurred while you were recording, well, you just click the Stop Record. And immediately on your desktop is going to be this big window. It's going to open. And here you see every details, the screenshots of all that you clicked, all that you did. And at the bottom of the file, you'll have information about errors that might have occurred, times, date, everything is recorded so that you'll know what's happening on your computer. And at the top of this window, what's cool is you have Save and Email. So for example, if you want to save it because you know your tech guy or your friend is coming over, you can save it to the computer. So you'll click save and you'll save it somewhere, for example here on the desktop, and I'll put you know, record session, and just save it on the desktop, for example. Or you can click email. What it will do is it's going to send it by email with your favorite mail client. So depending on what's your mail client, it's going to automatically open mail. Here it opens Thunderbird that I have installed in my computer. So depending on what's your default mail client, it's going to open it, it's going to attach the file, and you just, you know, send it to your tech guy through email. So it's very, very nice. It's simple to use. Even someone that's not knowledgeable about computers can start the problem steps recorder and at least have it record what's happening throughout your computer when you have problems. Hope you enjoyed these videos, and especially this video that can help you a lot if you have you want to, you know, try to show your friends what's happening in your computer. If you do, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have that new Windows 8 machine, I think this is a great channel to learn a lot how to use your computer. If you have any comments, questions on what you've seen, let us know. Maybe you have a request of a feature that you'd like us to talk about in Windows 8, let us know, and we'll try to put that video online. And hey, hope you take a look at our other videos. If you have that new Windows 8 machine, or maybe you're thinking about buying a new Windows 8 machine, great channel to be to learn more how to use your computer. So thanks for watching, and hope you come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Bye bye.